Hi there, Carl Massy here, and welcome to my mini little tour to show you the 30-day challenge and what you will see and what you will get when you actually do the program with me or with a beautiful group or even self-paced. So I'm looking at my iMac screen where I'm recording this. So if you're going to be doing the challenge and you're going to be using a tablet, you're going to be using a smartphone, obviously you'll see a slightly different image, but you'll get the idea, I'm sure. You're probably more tech savvy than me anyway. So these are the parts of it. Welcome to the 30-day challenge, getting the preparation and getting you started for it, wanting to get you thinking of a theme before you go into the challenge so you can actually set your mind on fire. Beliefs and goals, going through those. Then we jump into the first day, and it's daily rituals, and it is a little bit of a deeper dive because daily rituals are a key piece of the success of the 30-day challenge. I always say that success is a habit, and the right habits make all the difference. Then we get into the daily tips, and this daily tips Monday to Friday for the entire 30 days. And then I've got a whole bunch of bonuses that you can look at different points through the challenge, and then what's next. After you finish the challenge, how can I best support you? So let's just dive in and sort of see what it looks like. So this is the view you're going to get, and like I said, maybe slightly different in a smartphone or a tablet, but essentially in most cases there'll be a video there, maybe a short introductory video, some text, and some downloads. And with the downloads, you just click on those. So let's go into the different categories. Let's just jump straight into, say, the daily rituals. So there's all of those daily rituals there. We come to, for instance, energization exercises. And again, you'll see the screen down there so you can track them and you can see how far you've gone through them. So in this case, there's a video to watch there of me doing some energization exercises, some information related to it. And then you can actually download. So any of the times I'm talking about a download, this is the area to do it. And with the daily tips, there's always going to be an MP3 option where you can download there so that if you want to listen to it offline, you can do that as well. So I want to make that available to you. So daily rituals, I've gone off course there. Daily tips was the one I was looking for. So when we go into daily tips, for example, changing emotional states, short video, and then there's an MP3 there, download it if you want to listen to it offline, or you just come straight down and click away there. And obviously you can click off to show that you've done that one and go on to the next lesson. So that's the tour of the 30-day challenge. If you've got any specific questions, don't hesitate to reach out and ask, but I look forward to serving you through this challenge. I've taken hundreds of people through this process, so I look forward to taking you through and supporting you as you embed these success habits. So have a fantastic day wherever you are, and take care.